I went to Walmart to get the cameraman's mom some Tic Tacs. They were buy one, get one free, and she needed both. Oh, hey. Okay, all right. What are we doing today? What are we doing today? Okay, we did headings. We redid that. Tic Tacs. Yep. Buy one, get one free. And HTML paragraphs. Okay, again. Now, bear with us. HTML alone with no CSS and no JavaScript. It's bare bones. It looks yucky. Okay? That's why when you go to the CSS series and start adding CSS, then you start making things look a little beautiful. Okay, so let's add a quick paragraph. I believe we actually handled that in, I think, some of the first. Yeah, in the first. Yep. And you're not talking to me because of the Walmart. Okay, I think we handled paragraphs before. At least you had a sneak peek in the previous videos in the beginning of the playlist. But let's go ahead and let's get that started. Okay, let's add a quick one. It'll be short. All right, so what do I have here? I am in an HTML_paragraphs directory. You can actually create a file in any directory that you would like. And I'm just going to make a quick little file. And we will call that index, if I can spell it right, .html. And what we'll do from there is we'll right click and use open with live server. And if you're not familiar with this extension, I know I mentioned it before, but if not, in the extensions here and download the actual, you can actually do a search here for live server and then install that. So you would actually just do this live server. Okay, and it'll be the first one. You'll click on that bad boy, install, and then you'll be as good as gold. So let's go back here. Once it's installed as an extension, you'll be able to right click onto your HTML files and open with live server. And looks like I'm open over here, not there. All right, and we don't need this, and we don't need that, and we definitely do not need that. And again, for the shortcut Emmet extension, or not extension, but it is an abbreviation that does come with Visual Studio Code. I'll do exclamation mark. Last time I did tab, let's press enter. All right, and let's give it a title here. What are we doing here? We're just doing paragraphs, right? Do we even need? Yeah, we'll give it a title. Why not? Paragraphs. Okay, and let's just refresh that. And we do see paragraphs as the actual title in the tab. And how do we add a paragraph? Okay, last time we did headings. Now we're doing a paragraph. Here we go. There is our paragraph. There's nothing in it. So let's see. What can we place in there? Let's see. I went to Walmart to get the cameraman's mom some Tic Tacs. All right, so here's our paragraph. Okay, and we can actually copy this just to get some more text in here. You know, it's for testing purposes. Okay, and we'll add some more. And I know it's kind of going off screen there, but you know what, let's press enter right there just so we can actually see that. That's perfect. Put the paragraph tag down here, and that's perfect. All right, so now there you have it. There's your paragraph right there. I mean, again, it's not the prettiest thing, but remember I said before, you know, HTML, it's not the prettiest. And then earlier, like in the previous video, we had headings. Here's a paragraph. Okay, so you can kind of see where you kind of start, you know, adding some different things together. We have the paragraph heading, which was in the previous video, and we have an actual paragraph. And if we wanted to copy that and add another one, we can do that. Again, there's no styling involved with this. Okay, and so now you have two paragraphs. You know, very quick, simple. The bonus was this, but we covered that in the previous video. But now you have two paragraphs on the actual HTML page. All right, that's it. Subscribe, like, comment if you have any questions or need any clarity on anything. Yeah, I think that's it. Stack out.